Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. Do a video walkthrough on this 2016 21 SPX. Scanning around, the boat is equipped with a Mercury EFI 200 Pro, 54.6 hours, under 60 hours on the boat. The boat is kept in dry storage, this facility, and the covers were kept on it. I'm just uncovering it for the winter. Boat could use a detail. So you got some marks on the cushions, no rips, tears, anything like that. She could just use a good cleaning, and I think a lot of that would come out. Up at the helm, you've got a depth finder, digital depth finder. Here's your controls. Digital throttle and shift with that motor option. That's a really favorable package for this boat. This boat is going to be a great performer. Flip up bolster, you got some staining in the seat cushion there. Flips up, and I say staining, I believe a good detail would go a long ways. I'm not sure it'll all come out, but I do believe a lot of it will come out. Large in-deck anchor. Storage is what he has in there now. You can fit wakeboard, skis, that kind of stuff in there. Before you get your bow seating area, there's just some white marks from where I lifted the cushion earlier. Cushions are in good shape. Got some mildew down there that I think will come out with a good detail. Get you a kind of shot of the cockpit. Up top on the sports tower, you can see you got your mounting bit for water sports activities. A lot of times we see these and they're in our salt environment starting to get corroded up. This has a little bit of corroding here. That white will come off with a good detail, but you got a little bit of pitting, but not near as bad as I've seen on some of the other ones. A little bit of TLC would go a long ways with this one, guys. Boat's priced right, low hours, owner's just getting out of boating. Drop back. Neat thing about this boat is there's so much storage down here. He's got tubes, life jackets, all kinds of stuff stored in this compartment. I've seen folks put their beach chairs and all that stuff in there. Ton of storage on this boat. Of course, this backrest is set up in the lounge now. It will also move up to a companion seat, convert to a companion seat. Guys, this is Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking your time to look at this 2016 21 SPX. Give us a call at 910-264-4818 if you have any questions. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.